Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the United States in the state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have the Canadian version of the Samsung Galaxy A12, and this is a device that does have the Google Account Lock enabled because, as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the phone was factory reset, and to continue, we have to verify either the previous security screen lock pin that was used on it, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it'll bring us to a screen that also gives us the option to sign in with the previous Google account that was on the device the last time it was used. And so that's basically what the Google Lock consists of, is when you factory reset an Android device without first removing either of those two things, it's going to ask you to verify them again after the factory reset to ensure that only the device's true owner can get back into it. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And then after the purchase, obviously the buyer discovered the lock and they weren't going to have any of the previous user's login info, and in that case the seller has usually long since disappeared, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove the lock from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's a procedure that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we did here on this one. So, as you could clearly see, the device was on the Google Lock page asking for the previous account, and then while we were running our unlock program on it, as the final step, it just restarts the phone. So now once that finishes up, we should be able to see that we can indeed use the phone without running into that Google Lock. So just a second here while it finishes turning on. You'll notice that instead of going to the let's go or start or welcome or whatever the initial screen says, now it just loads up to the device's lock screen. And if we go ahead and swipe that away, we should see that, yep, it goes straight to the device's home screen. We have full access to all of the apps and features and functions, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with. So when we go under About Phone, once it finishes loading, there, I'll just turn off the Wi-Fi so that it stops trying to load everything. There we go. So when we go under About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy A12, and then that model number there, the SM-A125W, if my focus would cooperate, is the model number of the Canadian version of the Galaxy A12. So yes, even though we're in the US, we can do this for models from other countries also. So, if you have one of these Canadian Galaxy A12s with the Google Lock enabled and need help removing it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down below in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.